Hi, RYSERA, I'm the Edirisinghe. So this is my final project for your AI course. Before explaining this, what you see in the screen, I want to tell you the problem I saw. So this is what I really saw. Non-communicable diseases kill 41 to 43 million people annually, and 40% of these avoidable NCD deaths are linked to treatable causes where death could be prevented or delayed with timely diagnosis. This problem is mostly experienced by adults between age 18 to 45. Most of them are in a young age, and dying in such a young age is a crisis. So, my idea is to create an app to detect diseases early. So, my app is called EarlyDetect. And before showing you my app, I want to show you the application's capabilities. So, this app, you can add health data, upload medical reports, and add symptoms. So this will do an analyzing and give a final uh, risk report and recommend doctors to those diseases you get. And finally, it will hold a record of the user. So this is the application architecture. Uh, The front end, I have here registration, authentication with OTP, profile, habits, medications, medical images, symptoms, and analysis. So in the back end, this is the API layer. I'm as a AI analyzer, I am using Gemini API. I have used two models, but currently one is active. And to the OTP, Gmail SMTP is used, and there's a data access layer. So it is divided two parts. One is app data of the user, and the other one is a static access doctor's database. So now I'm going to show you my app. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is the app I created. It's a web app. So first here you have to enter an email. You have to register with an email. So I'm going to type my email here. All right, so this going to send me an OTP. I'm going to click this. So it's asking for a 6-digit OTP. So I'm going to check my email. Okay, here it is. It said EarlyDetect, and this is the OTP I get. I'm going to enter it. 63 and 25. Okay, so this is the first page. So here, the email address is here. So I'm going to enter my first name. I can edit like this. First name, last name, and date of birth. All right, so I'm going to continue. So here I had to select sex, like so here height. I'm going to weight, and so automatically can see it calculates the BMI and it shows that I'm overweight. And here it automatically calculates the age as well. So you have to add your blood type. So that's mine, O positive. So I'm going to click Save Profile here. And that way I'm going to this page, and this is divided to 4 sections. It's said health habits, medications, symptoms, and medical images. So health habits, I'm going to click that first. So in health habits, you have to add these data. So it's asking how often do you exercise. I'm going to say daily. And select exercise type. So it gives 6 options to you. So I'm going to tell walking. Asking about smoking status. So I'm not a smoker. If you select current smoker, you get have to add these two as well. That means cigarettes per day and years of smoking. Okay, you can add former smoker as well. So it's never. And here, as a asking about drinking frequency, it's I'm going to say never. And this is a bit of optional one. It's asking about the drug use. So I'm not using drugs, so I'm going to say no. If the user is okay, doesn't want to say it, we can add prefer not to say. So asking about the diet type, you can add if you're vegetarian, mixed, or if you're a person who eats junk heavily. So I'm at mix. Sleep hours per night, so it's probably 6, 9, 1. And the stress level, it's moderate. So here you had to add your occupation. I'm gonna add I'm a student here. And living area, so I am living in a city, so I'm gonna add urban. So when you have a message here as saying urban environments often have higher air pollution levels, which is a risk factor for respiratory and cardiovascular conditions. So I'm going to press save and continue. So it goes back to this page, and I'm going to go to this medications. It asks for medications and family history. You have to, if you have any medications you're currently using, so you can add the name, dosage, frequency, and duration. And after that, if you don't need to fill it. But here, I'm asking you for the family medical history. So if you have any, if the family have any history of these diseases, you can add, or if it's not them, you have a place here to add it. So in my family, almost everyone in my family have diabetes, so I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to press save and continue. So I'm going to go to this symptoms section. So in here, when the user use it, here we have different types of symptoms, and it is divided for few parts. So if it's not possible going through these, you can just add symptom type it there. I'm just going to show you one. I'm going to add chest pain. So here we got chest tightness and chest pain. So can select, and so I'm not going to add a symptom right now. Sorry. So here, medical images. So this is the place we send the reports, upload a report, medical, probably a blood report is perfect for it. And back to sections. Uh, before I go to the analyzing part, I will show you something. I'm going to remove this one here. It's not because I don't want to show my medical history in it. I want to show you something else. So I'm going to go to this analyze my health data. So here I have filled only two parts, two sections actually. So the rest is empty. And here saying that you can run the analysis now, but more data means more accurate results. So I can run this one, but it's not going to give me any perfect analysis. So I'm going to add this medication and I'm going to say this diabetes. And I have a blood report. It's not mine, but I just thought of giving you it. So this one. So first is asking whether it's mine or not. So it says, please confirm that this report belongs to you and that you consent to its contents being analyzed by the AI. Do not upload reports belonging to another person. So if the user is uploading another one's, someone else's report, that means here that person has to change the whole profile. So I'm going to say, yes, this is my report. Just to show you this now, it's the report is being read. Okay, so review extracted data. So here the app has given the data extracted data from it. So I can save and continue, or else you can add more reports as well. So now I'm going to do the analyzing part. So run for analyze. Okay, now it shows me the overall risk level is low. No immediate concern. Giving a pretty good analyzing, by the way. Okay, so here you can rerun the analysis if you want, or see the recommended doctors. So here it shows the type 2 diabetes. It's a moderate risk. So it has given me 3 doctors recommended. Gives me the rate level as well. So the price and the hospitals available too. So yeah, that's that part. So here now the button has changed to view my risk report. It's not analyze button now. So here gives the analyzing again. Right. That. Okay. Continue to my summary. So this is a complete profile I have here with my all the data I already entered, and also gives the risk report again, the same report it's given. So back to sections. Now here we have a edit body details button. So if we click it, we can go to this page and edit these data. So even after, if I log out this from this app, if I use the same email, I can come back to see and come back to the app and see these data is already saved. That means these are not going to be empty. It's going to be saved the way it is. Okay, so that's the app. And so I want to show you there are a few improvements I want to do in the future. So give me a moment to show you that. Right, so these are the huge improvements I want to do. So the current state here is recommending doctors. That just recommends doctors only. So, but there's a little problem that the user still has to go find the doctor themselves. The app does recommend the doctor, but the user has to go and find the doctor themselves. So if the app is improved by adding a page for hospital registrations, and through that page, the user can put an appointment for the doctor through this app. That means the user doesn't have to go to the hospital or another website just to put an appointment with the doctor. So the user can do it through this app. So the other improvement, currently, this is a Sri Lankan health app and it's targeting young adults. But this can also be a benefit for the adults, age, such as age 50, 60, 60 plus mostly. So language accessibility is the biggest barrier there. So currently the app is only communicating in English. So improving the app to communicate in Sinhala, Tamil and English, it brings down the language barrier over there. So, and the next one is currently this app is a web app. If this is converted to a mobile app, it would feel significantly faster and more trustworthy to the user. So, and the final one is a medication reminder. So the app already has a section to add the medications, but with the daily busyness, most people forgets to take their medications at the right time. But if the app can be improved to send a reminder to the user, that person will take his or her medication at the right time. So that's the demonstration I have on my app. So you guys can try it as well. So thank you everyone.